come. Today we will discuss about preparation and properties of benzoic acid. Benzoic acid formula is C6H5COOH. Benzoic acid. Benzoic acid. BNZOIC. Benzoic acid. It is an aromatic acid. And formula C6H5COOH. Here carboxylic acid is directly linked to the benzene. So its graphic formula can be represented like this. It is a benzene one COH group, the carboxylic group is attached to directly to the benzene. So it is a benzoic acid. Come to the general methods of preparation of benzoic acid. General methods of preparation of benzoic acid. Number one, carboxylation of Grignard's reagent. Carboxylation of Grignard's reagent. Grignard, NARD, Grignard's reagent. Carboxylation of Grignard's reagent. When carbon dioxide gas is passed to Grignard's reagent, first an addition product is formed, which on acidic hydrolysis to form a benzoic acid. Here, Grignard's reagent is of two types. Grignard's reagents, there are two types. It may be alkyl magnesium halide or aryl magnesium halide. In order to prepare benzoic acid, you have to take phenyl magnesium chloride, bromide, or phenyl magnesium halide. So, carbon dioxide is your C double bond O, C double bond O. It is your carbon dioxide. Here the tetravalency of carbon atom is satisfied to where it 1, 2, 3, 4 approximately 2 carbon dioxide is said it linear. Your carbon atom undergoes sp types of hybridization. Carbon dioxide when it reacts with phenyl magnesium bromide, phenyl C6H5 phenyl magnesium chloride. It is also Grignard's reagent. Methyl magnesium chloride is also Grignard's reagent. It is acyl magnesium halide. If you take Cl3NaCl, it is alkyl magnesium halide. So your carbon atom has carbon in the periodic table. Electronegativity character gradually increases from left to right. Your carbon atom appears a partial positive charge, while oxygen atom carries a partial negative charge. Phenyl group carries a partial negative charge. Magnesium MgCl carries a fractional positive charge. So this negative charge, that is phenyl group, comes to the carbon atom, which carries positive charge. Because as you know that like charges repels each other, while unlike charges attracts each other. The MgCl magnesium chloride part comes to the oxygen atom. As a result, this double bond polarizes to form a single bond. Here we get O double bond C, single bond C6H5, single bond O MgCl. It is your addition product. It is your addition product. Here it is your addition product. It is your phenyl magnesium chloride. Phenyl magnesium chloride. When carbon dioxide is passed through phenyl magnesium chloride, first an addition product is formed, which on acidic hydrolysis, this compound on acidic hydrolysis means addition of water, which is carried out in the presence of mineral acid. That is acidic hydrolysis. Here this bond breaks from this position. CH6H5 C double bond O, single bond H come to this end. H, the OH come to this part. As a result, C6H5 C double bond O, single bond OH will form plus MgOHCl. It is hydroxy magnesium chloride. C6H5 C double bond OH. It is your benzoic acid. It is your benzoic acid. Benzoic acid. Benzoic acid. This is about the first level of preparation, that is carboxylation of Grignard's reagent. when carbon dioxide is passed to phenyl magnesium chloride, then an additional product is formed which on acidic hydrolysis to form benzoic acid. This is the first general method of preparation of benzoic acid. It is carboxylation of grignard's reagent. Then the second one, the second one, hydrolysis of from benzonitrile. Number 2, from benzonitrile or phenyl cyanides, from phenyl cyanide, or this is called benzonitrile or benzonitrile. When phenyl cyanide is hydrolyzed in presence of a mineral acid, then benzamide is formed, which on further acidic hydrolysis to form benzoic acid. When first, like alkyl cyanide, your hydrolysis takes place 2 times or twice. You have to take phenyl cyanide first. Phenyl cyanide on hydrolysis to form benzamide. Cyanide is converted into acid amide in first step, which on further acidic hydrolysis to form benzoic acid. Phenyl cyanide or benzonitrile formula for benzonitrile is C6H5Cl. Your benzonitrile C6H5C triple bond N. It is your phenyl cyanide. Phenyl cyanide on hydrolysis in the presence of a mineral acid H+. First it is converted into benzamide having formula C6H5CONH2. Benzamide triple bond manages to form a single bond because benzamide BNZAMID. Benzamide of further hydrolysis. When benzamide hydrolyzes in presence of mineral acid that is H+, is bond reacts from this point, HO composition, hydrogen composition, H combined to form water. So benzoic acid is formed. C6H5COOH, benzoic acid plus NH2H, ammonia. Actually, if you take mineral acid, suppose HCl here, then this ammonia combines with HCl to form ammonium chloride, NH4Cl. If you write here only H+, then you have to write NH4 plus or NH3, you can write NH3. But you cannot write NH3 because it is your benzoic acid is C6H5, it is acid, ammonia is a base. When an acid reacts with base, then ammonium salt of benzoic acid, ammonium benzoate will form instead of benzoic acid. It is your benzoic acid, BNZOIC, benzoic acid. So this is your second general method of preparation, that is from phenyl cyanide. When phenyl cyanide or benzonitrile is hydrolyzed in presence of a mineral acid, in first step, benzamide is formed having formula C6H5CONH2. Benzamide or subsequent hydrolysis in presence of a mineral acid to form benzoic acid along with ammonium chloride, we can write ammonia. This is about the second general method of preparation, that is from phenyl cyanide. Then come to the third one, third general method of preparation of benzoic acid. Come to the third one, from esters. From esters, yes, from esters. When ethyl benzoate is hydrolyzed in presence of a mineral acid, then benzoic acid is formed. When ethyl benzoate is an ester, ethyl benzoic acid is C6H5COH. Ethyl benzoate, your H is replaced by C2, so it is ethyl benzoate. When ethyl benzoate is hydrolyzed means addition of water, which is carried out ethyl benzoate HOH water in presence of a mineral acid, that is H plus. Your C2H5OH ethyl alcohol is formed with benzoic acid, that is C6H5COOH benzoic acid plus ethyl alcohol is your C2H5OH. Ethyl benzoate is an ester. Ethyl benzoate on hydrolysis to form benzoic acid BNZOIC. Benzoic acid is ethyl alcohol. Benzoic acid is ethyl alcohol. This is your third general method of preparation, that is from esters. Then come to the fourth one. Fourth general method of preparation, oxidation of toluenes. Oxidation of toluene, fourth one, your oxidation of toluene. Oxidation of toluene, TOLUENE, toluene. Toluene or methyl benzene. You know what toluene? When toluene, that is methyl benzene, is oxidized in presence of alkaline KMO4, then potassium benzoate is formed, which on acidic hydrolysis to form benzoic acid. Toluene to is methyl benzene, that on alkaline KMNO4. Alkaline KMNO4 Babel's reaction the reaction करेंगे. First potassium benzoate हबो. Potassium benzoate को acidic hydrolysis करें. Water add करिया potassium benzoate रे in presence of mineral acid. By acidic hydrolysis करें benzoic acid हबो. इटा तुम्हारा toluene, methyl benzene, benzene, your methyl group, direct lacta, some nuclear substituted compound, this is toluene, TOLUENE. When toluene is oxidized in presence of alkaline KMNO4, alkaline potassium permanganate KMNO4, alkaline potassium permanganate. When toluene is oxidized, first potassium benzoate is formed. Formula for potassium benzoate is your C-benzene, direct lactate with COK. Potassium benzoate is formed. This is your potassium benzoate. Potassium benzoate BNZOAT. Potassium benzoate. Potassium benzoate on acidic hydrolysis in presence of a mineral acid, here K is replaced by H, benzoic acid will form, your benzoic acid COOH, benzoic acid will form, benzoic acid BNZOIC, benzoic acid will form. You could take toluene when treated with the alkaline KMNO4. When toluene is treated with the alkaline KMNO4, first potassium benzoate will form with an acidic hydrolysis to form benzoic acid. If you take xylene, you take orthoxylene. When you take, it is oxidized in presence of alkaline KMNO4. 2CH2, xylene is of, it is a toluene. Xylene means 2-methyl group. It attached directly to benzene, one at number 1 position and second at number 2 consecutive carbon atom. Here it is CH3. It is your toluene. When one methyl group is directly attached to benzene, it is called nuclear substituted methyl benzene is called toluene. It is your 1,2 dimethyl benzene. Called xylene, or more correctly it is called orthoxylene. Orthoxylene, orthoxylene is a is oxidized in the presence of alkaline KMnO4. When orthoxylene is oxidized in presence of alkaline KMnO4, then potassium oxalate, potassium benzoate, first potassium oxalate is born, which on further oxidation to form, which on further oxidation of which on further hydrolysis to form. When orthoxylene is treated with alkaline KMnO4, then the benzoic ion CH3 group, CH3, CH2, CH3 group are converted into COOK single bond, COOK, which on acidic hydrolysis convert into alic acid. It is COOH single bond, COOH, alic acid, PH, PHA, alic acid, potassium phthalate, PH, potassium phthalate. So when orthoxylene is treated with alkaline KMnO4, you could take toluene, which on treatment with alkaline KMnO4 is converted into potassium benzoate. Your orthoxylene when treated with alkaline KMnO4, then it is converted into potassium phthalate. When potassium phthalate is hydrolyzed in the presence of mineral acid, then phthalic acid is formed. This is about the general method of preparation of benzoic acid. Then come to the electrophilic substitution reaction in case of benzoic acid. Electrophilic substitution reaction. Benzoic acid contains COH group, which is a meta-directing group. Like aldehyde, that is benzaldehyde, which contains CHO, which is also a meta-directing group. COH, benzoic acid is also a meta-directing group. Benzaldehyde रे CHO थिला, सेटा गोटे meta-directing group. Benzoic acid रे COH अछि, ए मधक meta-directing group. तो जब इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन हो, इलेक्ट्रोफाइल टा अटैक करियो बेंजीन रिंग की, ताले इनकमिंग ग्रुप टा मोर मेटा पोजीशन को आसीबो. COH जो जगह लागिथिबो तार मेटा पोजीशन रे इनकमिंग ग्रुप लागिबो. दैट इज माने इलेक्ट्रोफाइल टा आसी मोर मेटा पोजीशन लागिबो. कोन कहूची फास्ट कहूची क्लोरीन सहित रिएक्शन बा क्लोरीनेशन, इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन. इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक PHILIC electrophilic substitution reaction. Electrophilic substitution reaction. Electrophilic substitution reaction. Electrophilic substitution reaction में पार्ट तो आती halogenation बा chlorination, CHLORINATION chlorination. First one is chlorination. When benzoic acid reacts with chlorine in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride, then metachlorobenzoic acid is formed. तो में benzoic acid की chlorine से reaction करिवो anhydrous aluminum chloride presence रे जे COH टा ଗୋଟେ meta directing group ताके electrophile Cl+ टा chloronium ion Cl+ Cl इलेक्ट्रोलाइटिक सब्सटेंस माने क्लोरोनियम आयन Cl+ टा को जगह से लागिवो ना Cl+ टा मेटा पोजीशन रे से लागिवो. तो मेटा क्लोरो बेंजोइक एसिड हो. एटा रिएक्शन एटा तुमरो बेंजोइक एसिड C6H5CO. एटा तुमरो बेंजोइक एसिड बेंजोइक एसिड की हम क्लोरीन से रिएक्शन करिवा CH2 in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride. anhydrous aluminum chloride से रिएक्शन करिले कोन हो ना क्लोरीन टा मेटा पोजीशन हो जिवो. एटा ऑर्थो पोजीशन 1 2 पोजीशन 1 3 पोजीशन 3 रे एटा 1 एसिड अछि 3 नंबर एठी एटा 3 नंबर एपट 3 नंबर तो एटा मेटा क्लोरो हो ए जगह रे मेटा क्लोरो माने मेटा पोजीशन रे तुमरो एटा तुम COH थिला एटा ऑर्थो पोजीशन एटा मेटा पोजीशन एटा पैरा पोजीशन ऑर्थो पोजीशन मेटा पोजीशन पैरा पोजीशन बेंजोइक एसिड क्लोरीन से रिएक्शन करले बेंजोइक एसिड C6H5COH बेंजोइक एसिड भी क्लोरीन से रिएक्शन करले इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ अनहाइड्रस एल्युमिनियम क्लोराइड हाइड्रोजन कैरी होता है अनहाइड्रस एल्युमिनियम क्लोराइड क्लोराइड তাহলে কোন হবে না এইটা এক নম্বর পজিশন তোমার COH আছে এটা দুই নম্বর পজিশন 1 2 এর অর্থ পজিশন 1 3 এর মেটা পজিশন 1 4 এর পারা পজিশন এই জায়গায় তোমার একটা ক্লোরিন আটম লাগবে এই জায়গাতে Cl লাগবে Cl2 আছে না গোটে Cl লাগিলে আগো Cl বড় কার হচ্ছে Cl টা যদি লাগবে সেটা ଗୋଟେ H বাহিব তার মানে প্লাস Cl এইটা প্লাস Cl হবে তাহলে এটা তোমার অর্থ মেটা ক্লোরো বেঞ্জোইক এসিড এটা তোমার না ক্লোরিনেশন পরে তারপর আসো নাইট্রেশন নম্বর হলো নাইট্রেশন NiTRA নাইট্রেশন Fluorination means addition of fluorine. Nitration means addition of concentrated nitrating mixture. Nitrating mixture add करा जाए. Nitrating nitrating mixture. Nitrating mixture माने NO2 concentrated nitric acid ले खाली अब नहीं. Nitrating mixture माने concentrated nitric acid plus concentrated sulfuric acid mixture को concentrated sulfuric acid mixture को हमें नाइट्रेटिंग मिक्सचर कहबा सीता नेले ही नाइट्रेशन हो when benzoic acid reacts with concentrated nitric acid in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid जेतो benzoic acid तुम्हारा concentrated nitric acid से रिएक्शन करिवो in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid ताले NO2 ग्रुप ता नाइट्रो ग्रुप ता मेटा पोजीशन लागिवो कारण benzoic acid तो COH so मेटा डायरेक्टिव ग्रुप तो ये मेटा पोजीशन रे नाइट्रो बेंजोइक एसिड इज फॉर्म এটা তোমার বেঞ্জোইক এসিড C6H5COH বেঞ্জোইক এসিড নাইট্রিক এসিড তোমার কনসেন্ট্রেটেড নাইট্রিক এসিডটা লিখুছি HONO2 আর কোন দেখো HNO3 দিব তোমার কনসেন্ট্রেটেড সালফিউরিক অ্যাসিড কনসেন্ট্রেটেড H2SO4 সালফিউরিক অ্যাসিড হলো নাইট্রেটিং মিক্সচার কোন দেখো এই মেটা পজিশন রে H আছে সে H টা OH সହିତ কম্বাইন করলে ওয়াটার বাহার দিব এই NO2 টা সে জায়গা লাগিব তো কোন হবে মেটা নাইট্রো এটা তোমার COH বেঞ্জোইক অ্যাসিড দিলা এটা মেটা পজিশন রে এই যে NO2 লাগিব और H वाला ये वो से कम सी वाटर वाला H2O তাহলে এটা আর কোন না বেঞ্জোইক অ্যাসিড এটা তোমার মেটা নাইট্রো বেঞ্জোইক অ্যাসিড মেটা নাইট্রো बेंजोइक एसिड बेंजोइक एसिड आगे तापर देखो क्लोरिनेशन वाला हाइड्रोजनेशन वाला नाइट्रेशन वाला तापर आउ प्रोसेस सल्फोनेशन माने एडिशन ऑफ कंसंट्रेटेड सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड सही लो टॉपिक में सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन अछि जे 3 नंबर को सब्स्टिट्यूशन सल्फोनेशन अछि सल्फोनेशन SUL PHONAER सल्फोनेशन माने एडिशन ऑफ NaPi सल्फोनेशन माने एडिशन ऑफ concentrated sulfuric acid बेंजोइक एसिड रे सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड रिएक्शन concentrated sulfuric acid रिएक्शन करे sulfuric acid ହେଇଥାନ୍ତା benzoic acid corresponding benzoic acid sulfuric acid ହବ ତୁମର ଲେଖ ତାହେଲେ ହୋଇ କ'ଣ ଲେଖିବା ନା when benzoic acid reacts with concentrated sulfuric acid then metasulfuric acid benzoic acid metasulfuric acid is formed benzoic acid metasulfuric acid এটা তো benzoic acid টা sulfuric acid সହିତ রিঅ্যাকশন করিব sulfuric acid লিখি পারবা HOSO3H এটি লিখিবার কারণ H2SO पर লিখলে SO3H লাগিব তো কোন SO3 লাগলা ইকুইভ্যালেন্ট লাগে মেটা পজিশন এটি H ଅଛି OH মিশ ওয়াটার বাহির দিব তাহলে কোন হবো এটা মেটা পজিশন রে sulfuric acid লাগিব benzoic acid এটা হচ্ছে SO3H প্লাস ওটা তোমার benzoic acid এসে এইখানটা এটা benzoic acid এটা লাগিছে মেটা পজিশনের sulfuric acid বেনজিন sulfuric acid এইখানটা benzoic acid মেটা sulfuric acid benzoic acid मेटा sulfuric acid मेटा sulfuric acid और क्या भाई benzoic acid ये जो बाइसल्फेट SO3 जो सल्फाइड बाइसल्फाइड benzoic acid बाइसल्फाइड कितना नहीं और benzoic acid मेटा sulfuric acid this is chemical properties